Hey y'all, Heather Elise here with the AI Edit. You've seen them. Glossy glass cutting boards, perfect fruit, moody lighting, satisfying slicing sounds. These fruit cutting videos are viral gold right now. But what if I told you I'm making them without a kitchen, without a camera, and without touching a single piece of fruit? In this video, I'm showing you how to create viral fruit cutting videos using 2 AI tools only. It's fast, it's faceless, and it's pure algorithm bait. This is perfect if you're ready to monetize on TikTok or YouTube. So let's jump to the tools. So this is ChatGPT, and this is where I start to map out my visual direction. It gives me shot sequences, camera angles, lighting styles, and even fruit combos that trigger scroll addiction. And here's a prompt that you can use right now. Give me 3 text to prompt for whatever platform you want to use. I'm going to show you 2 that I really like, one of them being VO3 in the jelly and glass fruit cutting style. Each video is 1 minute long. Remember that VEO3 supports audio sync, so the audio should be included in the prompts. Just like a real ASMR video blogger, the size needs to be for vertical TikTok or YouTube short videos. And what is going to happen, as I've already created, is that it has spit out 3 prompt ideas, and they're actually pretty detailed. So one of the things that I like about including it giving me the audio for this is even if I was in a platform that didn't already have audio included, I have an audio syncing idea. So include knife slicing, wet squish, light tapping sounds on glass, no music. But you can see that this prompt is actually pretty good. Create 1 vertical 1 minute ASMR video. They're not going to be a minute. AI typically only goes up to 5 seconds or 10 seconds of a translucent glass kiwi being sliced on a frosted cutting board. The kiwi has shimmering black seeds suspended in a jelly-like center. Each cut should make a soft, crisp slicing sound. Hands only in frame. Use realistic lighting with soft shadows, natural movements. Include high quality audio, ambient room hum, gentle knife contact, and wet slicing sounds. At the end, the pieces are arranged onto a flower pattern and slowly zoomed in as the sounds fade. So, what I like to do within ChatGPT is to keep my prompts going within one chat. So, once I get kind of the pace and the sound of what I like, I just keep building upon this. So, prompt 1, prompt 2 is a jelly peach peel and bite, a frozen lemon glass cut. And then here I gave it one that was a little bit more detailed, which you can do also. Create a text prompt for Gemini VO3, a hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a whole, full-shaped watermelon made of transparent glass with a soft, light-colored outer hue vibrant. I just go into detail about the rind and the colors. So I tried this out as well. And again, I just kept it going. So I always start with ChatGPT before doing any sort of AI work. That includes my AI avatars, funny little interview videos that you've seen go viral, which I'll show you how to do those in another video. But always start here within ChatGPT just to get your ideas down on paper to help you kind of plan this out. And this is especially great if you're not photographer or know how camera lenses work or audios. You know, ChatGPT can really help you there, just like you can see right here with the camera, ultra sharp micro lens, shallow depth of field, focus on the cutting movement. Like these are all details that your AI software is going to need. Now I want to show you a amazing tool called Neem. This is great for doing your fruit cutting ASMR videos. You can go directly to VO3 and do it within Gemini or Google straight from there, and I've done that as well. However, Neem actually has VO3 included in it. And just to kind of show you, so this is the explore page. And when you come in here, these are videos and images that people within this platform have already created. So if you scroll down, you can kind of see some things that are already viral. Like this one is a glass cutting video, glass fruit cutting video. You can just get a lot of really cool ideas. And one of the things that I really like is that you are able to click on these. So let's click on this one and you can see what prompt they used. So if you like a video in the Explore page, you can take it and edit it to make it your own, and potentially get the same look. Now, one of the things that I'm really shocked to see here is that this is the rock's face. And sometimes within AI, you get an error whenever you're trying to do a person who is an actual real person in real life because it's using their likeness without their permission. So I'm really shocked that this was able to generate, but kind of cool. Okay, so what I typically do is I go back over to my ChatGPT and I just copy this prompt and then paste it in. And I want to make sure that you know how to have the correct settings. So always make sure video is selected. And then right here, you also want to make sure that VEO3 with sound is selected because that's what's going to make your sound. Otherwise, it's just going to be a video. And you'll have to go back and add that later within another platform, which can be a little bit tricky. Your aspect ratio for social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts is going to be 9/16. And then I don't mess with controls and I just hit generate. And what you get, we'll look at this one. I mean, the sound is just absolutely on point with the video. And I love that. So let's talk about pricing for this. So it's actually pretty affordable. You can do it with annual or monthly. If you do monthly, the starter is $12.50 a month, and you get 1,500 credits, up to 150 videos. So if you are on social media and you're posting a video every single day for 30 days a month, you have more than enough credits inside of Neem to really get that done and go ahead and get your page up and running and monetized. How stinking easy was that? I bet you thought that creating those videos was super hard, and you just saw how I create my viral fruit cutting videos using nothing but two tools with AI, ChatGPT and Nim. No filming, no props, no stress. And that's just one tiny piece of what's possible when you learn how to direct content with the right tools. If you want my full system for building faceless content that converts from avatar creation to monetized campaigns, join the waitlist for my brand new program, AI Income Academy. You'll get early access, exclusive bonuses, and be the first to know when it drops. Let the tools do the work and you focus on the vision. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.